code specialist Dev Jobalia. Today going to solve the problem fractional knapsack. So it's quite an interesting one. Uh, it is also important for our engineering exams. So how the question goes is we are given weight and value of an item. You have to put maximum items into knapsack of capacity W. So in bag W, we have to put maximum items among the n items such that we have to maximum value means our items carry the maximum value in the bag. Unlike 01 knapsack, you are allowed to break the items. So breaking the items means if it is a bag of rice, so we can take half kg, 1 kg rice, 1 kg gold, something like that. So get the maximum value out. That is the main objective. Here is one example. Uh, we will see it in our pen and paper. What else should I cover? N log n is the expected time complexity. Okay, that we will take into consideration. Uh, Let me just do one thing. So this is a greedy approach. How we will take things into consideration. Let's take the example first. Okay, so moving on to our notes screen, the example is like capacity is of 50, value and the thing 60 and 10, 20, array 100 and 20, 120 and 30. Profit it is and this is weight. So how we will take it is maximum value is of 120, so bag's capacity is 30, so profit equals to 120 capacity W equals to 50 minus 30, so we are left with 20. In the next round we will take profit of 100 because it is the second highest profit, so its weight is 20, so we can take it as a whole. So 220 is the profit and weight equals to 0. This is our intended thing. But here the example shows take item with value 60 and weight 10, value of 100. Okay, so I have done a mistake here. So first of all among this we have to find the thing which has profit per weight highest. So 60 by 10, 6 is the thing, and here it is 5. The V by the W weight, value by weight we have to calculate. So here it is 4. Okay, 120. Yes, it is 4. So the highest profit out here it is per weight. It is the 10 weight thing. So it will become 40. So after which the second is 100 value. So 140 will be the thing. So 40 minus 20, which remains 20. In third iteration, profit will be something unique. 140 plus um, 120 divided by 30 into 20, something like this. This will become 4. 4 is equals to 4 to the 8, 80. 140 plus 80. So it's 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 220 is the answer. But why are they showing 240? 8, mm, it is 60. 60 plus 100, 160. Okay. It is 160 out here. That is why it will become 240. That is the thing we have done. Now, so how the greedy approach will work? So how the greedy approach will work? Hmm, uh, let us think. First of all, we will have to sort it. Sort it based on value per weight. So highest value per weight capacity. According to that, we have to sort. So sort based of highest value per weight ratio. After which take in weight into consideration. Taking weight into consideration for profit. So simple. The formula we are using is value by weight. This gives us unit value. So per unit weight, what will the profit be? This is and our remaining weight. So for this weight, this value we will be provided for that object. So how the time complexity will go is O of n log n to sort it, then O of n to iterate through all the items for calculating answer. O of n for calculate. So it is round of O of log n, which Geeks for Geeks are asked us for. Space complexity is O of 1. So guys, give me 1 second. I will I will ask my. So we are back. The mic has become more sensitive by day. So let's go into the code and let's rock and roll. So here we will also again need a comparator. In last lectures we have done what comparators are. So let's create one class. Let's mute our phone. Class item comparator. implements comparator. Comparator, it is capital C. I forgot about that. And every class, most of the time, start with capital C. Overrides public static int, not static int compare. It will take in two item things. I, I1, item I2, return mm, double profit 1 equals to I1 dot value by I1 dot weight. That is it. So first we have to do conversion, that we will do later on. Double. So what is left is I2. We have to do this P2 and this P2 I2. So P2 P1 greater than P2. This should work. Let's check it out over here. Arrays dot sort ARR. The comparator we have to call. Let's keep it capital for us as well. Item comparator. It takes in integer. Item IC is equals to new item comparator. That should be the case. Return 1.0. System dot out dot println arrays to string ARR. That is it. Let's exit this semicolon. Boolean cannot be converted to int. So let us check in n meeting how the comparator thing was working. E1 greater than B2. How do we pass this thing? Let's ask ChatGPT. Mm, what is error? The error in the code lines in the compare method is expected to return integer value indicating the comparison result, but you are returning boolean value. Okay, so should I pass boolean? Nah, it takes integers. This is the last. In the last case, this was the same thing. ARR of 0 dot value. Okay, something is happening. Divide by ARR of 0 dot weight. I feel it's right. The comparator thing has been achieved. So for int I equals to 0, I is less than n I plus plus, we will have to keep in two variables. Int answer equals to 0 and weight we will take this variable only. So if w equals to 0, return something like this. Return answer, else we will return -1. What say? Answer equals to w minus equals to if w greater than arr of I dot weight, we will do w minus equals to arr of I dot weight. Let's just take this out. In weight equal in answer plus equals to arr of I dot value by arr of I dot weight. Oh, this is not needed out here, else W minus equals to W equals to the 0. Let's do it something like this. If W is greater than weight, if it is smaller, answer plus equals to ALR of I dot value by weight into the remaining weight. W equals to 0. So this is thing. So let's check it out. What is missing in our thing? What is error? Windows V. The issue is that with the return type of method. Okay, double. This is double. What else might be the error? The same error. So sorting part till that it is correct. Final value. If current weight plus this weight less than equal to W. Okay, greater than equal to. Is it because of this double double? It will give an error. Why is that so? System dot out dot println answer or W. Weight was 50 and it reduced to 20. What might be the cause? 30 gone, 20, 20 to 40. So our sorting logic, let's think, if P1 less than, yes, it is mostly this. No, you my god, what is the problem? 30 and 20. It should be 120 and 100 is taking. 60, he should not take that. So he should have taken 60 first. So where is the error? So he has taken 60, then 100, then 120, right? So the logic of comparison, let's see if we get accepted or not. So our answer is getting rounded off. Why is it so? Our code was right, man. Why is this test case not working? Hmm. What if we do this? Let the counter get going, brothers. We are going to be selected. Yes. Let's go. So there were some hiccups. We covered it all and see you for the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Tada. Dun, tada, tada. Fractional knapsack. That was an easy question.